All right, let's do a review of this ProLift creeper and seat combo. Got this as a Christmas gift from my youngest, so yeah, we paid for it. And hadn't had an opportunity to set it up, but I've got a great use for it today. So I'm gonna open this up and let's take a look at it and put it together. I'll be honest, I'm not even sure I know what's required to put this together yet, but we'll find out. Definitely items required to put it together. Maybe not. Maybe just a clip it together kind of thing. All right. Forgive me for getting down on the floor. Now I find it in the accessories bag where it just looks like wheels. There's a bag of nuts and bolts. So, oh, and they give you a tool too. All right. Okay, so my analysis is feels pretty sturdy. Obviously, the powder coated metal tubes are nice. We'll know what it really feels like when I'm out on my driveway, which is that pebble stone, you know, that's inserted into the top coat of the cement. Probably not going to feel real good, but regardless, the tool they provide you is worthless. Yeah, this doesn't fit onto the wheels to tighten them, but luckily they can hand tight, and there's Allen heads on the other side. I'm still going to need a 10mm to tighten all the bolts up because this end was absolutely useless too. But otherwise, I mean, seems really, really well made. So I'm going to go outside and give it a try, and I'll follow up on this. So thanks.